Have you noticed those satisfying pigment mixing videos taking over social media? They're getting millions of views. And some creators have built massive audiences with this simple content style. One channel has already attracted hundreds of thousands of followers professionally, while its top video has crossed over 200 million views. The best part? You can create the same style of videos with AI in just a few minutes. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it for free. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss more AI content creation tutorials. Start by opening the master prompt I've prepared for you. You'll find the link in the description below. Copy the complete prompt, open ChatGPT, and you're all set to go. Paste it into a new chat and press enter. ChatGPT will ask which materials you want to combine for your pigment mixing video. Now open another ChatGPT conversation, paste the second prompt that generates creative mixing ideas and hit enter. And there you have it, a list of creative ideas. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you multiple unique and satisfying material combinations. Choose your favorite combination. I'll simply use the first suggestion. Copy all the listed objects and paste them back into the first ChatGPT conversation. Press enter. ChatGPT will now automatically prepare everything required for your project. It will generate image prompt 1, image prompt 2, video prompt. These prompts are all you need to create your viral AI video. Next, open Google Flow. Choose the image generation option and make sure your preferred quality settings are enabled. Copy image prompt 1 from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow, and click Generate. A few moments later, your first scene will be ready. Select the image you like the most. Click the three-dot menu and choose Add to Prompt. Finally, now return to ChatGPT, copy image prompt 2 and paste it into Google Flow. Generate the second image. After a few seconds, you'll have your second scene ready. Switch over to the video generation section inside Google Flow. For this tutorial, I'm using the Omni Flash model. Since this model currently doesn't support frame-based input, we'll use the ingredients option instead. Drag both generated images into the ingredients section. Now copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Click Generate. Within a short time, Google Flow will create a smooth pigment mixing animation for you. Import the generated clip into your favorite video editor. Place it on the timeline. Add a simple text layer showing the names of the materials being mixed. Keep the text clean and easy to read. Once everything looks good, export your video. Congratulations, your satisfying pigment mixing video is now ready to upload. That's the complete workflow. Just repeat the same process with different material combinations to create unlimited viral style videos in minutes. If you found this tutorial useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more free AI tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.